Already, everything thrives. A sperm whale weighing over 30 tons. Its corpse is slowly decomposing, slowly sinking to the bottom of the sea. This long silent seabed is about to be revitalized. A six-gill shark that has been hungry for a year, relying on its keen sense of smell, first discovered the whale's corpse. Facing the gift of nature, the six-gill shark went forward and began to bite. Even with the camera right in its face, it didn't care at all. Each bite caused blood to splatter. Soon attracted more six-gill sharks, filled with joy. The six-gill shark is more than 4 meters long. Faced with a huge mountain of meat, the 7 sharks didn't bother to be polite, but just buried their heads and ate. Occasionally, there might be a little friction, but they all show restraint. After all, the whale has already died. If the sharks die from fighting over food, that would just be ridiculous. In just 24 hours, these 7 six-gill sharks have devoured nearly 1/3 of the whale's flesh. They don't eat for a year, and then eat for a whole day. This extremely satisfying meal can also sustain them for an entire year. While the six-gill sharks are eating, spider crabs have already sneaked away to avoid the single shelter, and started to sneak their way over. And the simple-minded single shelter doesn't seem very smart. There are also a few short legs under their big mouths. Even if they're notified to start, they probably won't be able to eat anything warm. And the bloodsuckers, as soon as they see the sharks leave, prepare to go forward and eat. They don't seem very smart either. They even used the coral reefs on their hind legs as cover on the way, to prevent retaliation from predators. This look is really hilarious. Following closely behind are the short-legged crabs. Their short legs are much shorter than the spider crabs, but luckily they caught up with the warm food. In the following month, this seabed was bustling. More than 30 species of scavengers came to start. At the same time, it also attracted more predators to hunt small fish. For months later, the sperm whale's carcass was reduced to a pile of bones. But these bones were not wasted either. Zombie worms inject acid into the whale bones to form channels, and then gnaw on the small amount of fat remaining in the bones. A full 30 tons of whale carcasses will provide an ecological environment for this seabed for nearly 100 years. So the meridian is also known as the gentlest way to die in the world. It is the whale's last tenderness to the sea.